Looking to hit the road with your bikes in tow, but not sure which bike rack works best with your Toyota Prius? Whether you're planning weekend trail rides or long-distance cycling trips, choosing the right bike rack can make loading, transporting, and unloading a breeze. From hatch-friendly designs that won't interfere with trunk access to sturdy hitch-mounted options for heavier e-bikes, here's a look at the 3 best bike racks for Prius that combine reliability, convenience, and value. Number 3. Allen Sports Deluxe Trunk Mount. The Allen Sports Deluxe Trunk Mount 3-bike carrier, Model 103DN-R, is a quintessential entry-level solution designed for families and casual cyclists who need a reliable way to transport up to 3 bicycles without the expense of a hitch installation. Its primary purpose is versatility, featuring a patented single-configuration design that fits a wide array of sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs. The build is straightforward yet rugged, utilizing 15-inch long carry arms and an individual tie-down system that secures each bike frame independently. In real-life scenarios, the rack excels in grab-and-go situations. It arrives fully assembled and can be mounted in under 10 minutes once the initial pin setting is mastered. Performance is stable on smooth roads thanks to the 6-strap system, including 2 lateral side straps, though users often report minor swaying during high-speed highway travel or on bumpy terrain. The padded lower frame protects the vehicle's paint, but the bare metal hooks can be a point of concern, leading many owners to add DIY rubber padding for extra security. The Allen 103DN-R is a practical solution for weekend warriors who don't want to invest in a permanent hitch setup, but still need to move multiple bikes at once. Its fold-flat design also makes storage simple in small garages or tight spaces, an advantage for urban families. While it lacks the refined engineering of higher-end models like the Saris Bones 3-bike, it provides an accessible entry point for budget-conscious riders who prioritize convenience. Number 2. Saris Solo Bike Rack Trunk Mount. The Saris Solo 1-bike trunk mount carrier is a masterclass in minimalist design, specifically engineered for the solo adventurer or urban commuter who needs a zero-fuss transport solution. Its primary purpose is to provide an ultra-lightweight, tool-free method for carrying a single bicycle up to 35 pounds without the complexity of multi-bike systems. The standout feature is its unibody injection-molded plastic frame, which is 100% recyclable, completely rust-proof, and remarkably weighs only 2 pounds. Performance-wise, the Solo excels in simplicity. Because it has no moving parts or mechanical adjustments, it eliminates the fiddling common with larger racks. In real-life scenarios, its compact footprint allows it to be stored behind a car seat or in a small closet when not in use, making it ideal for those with limited storage space or a minimalist lifestyle. While the build is sturdy for its class, the quality relies on a 4-strap system that provides good vertical tension but lacks the lateral side straps found on the Allen Sports Deluxe 103DN-R. Number 1. Saris Bones EX2 Bike. The Saris Bones EX2 Bike trunk rack represents the premium evolution of the legendary Bones series, specifically designed to address the biggest headache of trunk-mounted carriers: vehicle compatibility. Its primary purpose is to provide a secure, high-end transport solution for 2 bicycles, up to 35 pounds each, while accommodating modern vehicle designs, especially those with prominent rear spoilers. The key feature is the dogleg, or arched leg design, which curves gracefully over spoilers to prevent damage to delicate plastic trim. Performance is notably stable due to the combination of premium ratcheting anti-sway straps and an arc-based design that staggers the bikes on slightly different levels, reducing the risk of handlebar-to-saddle interference. Finding the perfect bike rack for your Toyota Prius depends on your needs, budget, and how often you plan to hit the road. Trunk racks are great for convenience and quick trips. Hitch racks offer maximum stability and capacity, and roof racks work well for single bikes while keeping the rear accessible. No matter which style you choose, investing in a quality rack ensures your bikes stay secure, your car stays protected, and every ride starts stress-free. With any of these top 3 options, your Prius is ready for adventure.